1. Bioluminescent mushrooms on a tree. 2. Saw this rare phenomena at Kew Beach, pancake ice. 3. Amazing hair ice wool found in the woods this morning, a first for me. 4. The color of these berries near my apartment complex. 5. Fairburn agate I found. 6. I camped in the New Mexico desert to capture the Milky Way over an alien-like landscape. 7. Naturally faceted garnets I found while gold panning in Vermont. 8. Frost pattern on our grass. 9. Red mosses during sunset at Point Lobos State Park, Monterey Bay, California. 10. Another photo from my dad, mist on the Merced River in Yosemite Valley. 11. End of the rainbow in Colorado's White River National Forest. 12. Last night aurora borealis in northern Minnesota. 13. Bioluminescent waves glowing blue as Venus shines and reflects off the ocean, San Diego, California. 14. Amazing, clean 3.57 carat glowing highlight opal eye cut. It glows under a UV flashlight and even in daylight. 15. Found these little guys on my bushwalk.